This is a brand new 2014 Mercedes-Benz C-Class. It has a 1.8-liter four-cylinder engine and a 7-speed automatic transmission. Its top features and packages include a power moonroof, a sport package, a sport suspension, and the heated seats can warm you up in seconds, keeping you and your passengers comfortable the whole trip. The following features are also included: air conditioning with automatic climate control, a split folding rear seat, cruise control, a CD player, a leather-wrapped shift knob, front side impact airbags, an auto-dimming rearview mirror, a HomeLink feature, a rear window defroster, and the rain-sensing windshield wipers can turn on automatically if their sensor identifies water on the windshield. With an EPA estimated rating of 31 miles per gallon on the highway, fuel efficiency does not take a backseat. Contact us today to schedule your opportunity to see this automobile in person.